Everyone, my name is Sania Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis company, and today's topic of mine is upon the set off, which is a legal term. And let's know about the history of the law of set off. That is, the law of set off has long history. It was borrowed from the civil law doctrine of compensation, and the English Charity Court adopted the equitable doctrine of set off, and which was the known as stoppage, and the common law courts in England adopted the defense in set off in 1729 and by way of statute. And meaning and the definition of the set off is here. The meaning and the definition of set off are not given in a civil procedure code, and which is done by a judicial interpretation. In simple language, set off is a cross claim against the claim of the plaintiff, which is basically done by a defendant. And this was discussed under the case that is the Cool All Corporation versus Miss Jane Avers. In this, the plaintiff contended that the defendant has borrowed money from the plaintiff for financial assistance, and which was about rupees 1,40,000 approximately at 18% per interest annum. And on the other hand, the defendant contended that the plaintiff had approached him to execute certain work for the plaintiff, and the work entrusted to the defendant were electrification or the any water supply and sanitary work. Thus, the Honorable Court of Karnataka held that it would not be fit case of set off, which was basically pleaded by the defendant, and this was actually a case of adjustment of the value of the work affected by them with the counterclaim for the alleged balance of the amount due to them for the plaintiff. And thus bare provision and the essentials were mentioned under the order 8 rule 6 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and which gives the conditions as an essential element of the set off suit for basically firstly for the suit for recovery of money. At the outset, orders 8 rule 6 states that where in a suit for recovery of the money the defendant claims of to set off against the plaintiff demand, and which clearly states that set off is done only in case of recovery of money and not in any other case. The other case hereby refers to the regarding which was regarding the possession, title or injunction in civil cases, and in these cases the court will not allow the set off. And further, there is any certain now sum of money which is legally recoverable. The word ascertain means definite, and to make certain or fix, which means that amount claimed by the defendant must have a claim value and certain value. The amount must have been fixed between the parties. The third essential provision for the set off is here, that is, it must not exceed the pecuniary limits of the jurisdiction of the court. The suit instituted by the defendant shall not exceed the pecuniary limits of the jurisdiction of the court, and which means if a court authorized to hear the case up to rupees 2 lakh, then the suit instituted by the for the recovery amount must if is 3 lakh, then the court has no authority to entertain such suit for the adjudication. Thus, the another essential of the set off is the both the parties must fill the same character as they fill in the plaintiff's suit. The parties in the suit fill the same character as the original suit. Both the parties should be recovering the due amount for each other, and no other person who is not party to the suit must claim for the set off in the suit instituted by the plaintiff, expected provided by the plaintiff in his suit and with the permission of the court. This was all about the set of legal provision, and if you need any information related to it, please do write in a comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Access.